Some song is coming from the verse in Psalms katong gihatag kagahapon. And ang every lyrics ang song kay contributed sa matag member. So we believe that through Jesus Christ we have acquired this priesthood in every believer. So ang lyrics ana nga song ang testimony sa kamaayo ni Lord sa matag kinabuhi namo through that verse nga inspired ana nga song. So ang title ani nga song is Kaliko. And for the musicality, ako ihatag kay Dudut.
So, I am Dudut, so I took over the musicality sa song. So, yung focus ko talaga in this song is singability. So, yung aim namin is everyone here in this place will be able to sing this song. So, ang unang maisip ko is hymnal. So, dili mo masaba na Southern Baptism. So, it's like we're going back to our roots. So, there was a time before na we were strictly hymnal lang yun. So, this is a way for us to trace back our roots. And yan yung maisip ko talaga. Hymnal is easy to sing. Everyone can participate and sing with us. So, I took on this approach. And then, yung typical na hymnal na 3-4 yung time signature and very simple lang yung melody and chords. So that's pretty much it, and I really hope you are blessed as much as we are as we made this song.
Amen. Daghang problema nga musulay, daghang panahon mawa ang kalipay. Apan ang Diyos dalang panan kanunay, matag panahon ikaw himayaon. Daghang problema nga musulay, daghang panahon mawa ang kalipay. Apan ang Diyos dalang panan kanunay, matag panahon ikaw himayaon. Daghang problema nga musulay, daghang panahon mawa ang kalipay.
Ang galing. Di ba? Different approach. Nakita niyo yung time signature sila yung may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ngayon, may na-imagine ako din dun sa song nila. Kasi yung usually yung mga ganon, flat 3, half diminished chords, napakasarap po ng progression nun sa nylon na acoustic guitar. Imagine niyo si Gary Granada, pam 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 bram. Ang ganda niyan. Pag may kilala kayong classical guitarist, then yung, tapos may harmony, ang ganda nun. Ganda, ganda. Palakpakan po natin yung mga nakakatawa.